Today we are going to learn about mitosis. Okay, so what is mitosis? Mitosis is a type of cell division that helps us to grow or that helps us to repair ourselves when we cut ourselves. Okay, so before learning mitosis in details, let's get familiarized with few organelles. Okay, so this is the structure of a cell, and as we all know, this is the nucleus, right? So the layer that surrounds the nucleus is called nuclear membrane. Inside the nucleus, we have DNA, right? And other than this DNA, we have another condensed region of DNA, that is nucleolus. Okay? And other than nucleus, we have another organelle that participates in mitosis, that is centrioles. So we will learn the function of centrioles in the stages of mitosis. Okay, now let's learn what are the stages of mitosis. So mitosis, cell division, occurs in 4 different stages. Stage 1 is prophase, stage 2 is metaphase, stage 3 is anaphase, and stage 4 is telophase. So each of these stages have their own steps. So let's try to learn what happened in each of these stages. So first let's start with prophase. As we know that the nucleus is surrounded with a nuclear membrane, in prophase the nuclear membrane shown in purple breaks down, as we can see here, correct? At the same time the nucleolus disappears. We can see that there is no nucleolus, right? And the centrioles move to opposite ends, okay, and the chromosomes appear. So first, nuclear membrane will break down, the chromosomes will appear, that is the DNA will condense to form chromosomes, the nucleolus will disappear, and the centrioles will move to opposite ends. These are the 4 things that occur in prophase. Clear, everyone? Let's learn what happened in metaphase. In metaphase, we can see that the chromosomes line up in the middle, in the center. This center is called metaphase plate. So the center of the cell is called metaphase plate, and the chromosomes will move and align in the center. Number 1. Number 2, the centrioles will form this fiber-like structure shown in yellow. This fiber-like structure is called spindle fiber, right? This spindle fiber is formed by the centrioles. This is what happens in metaphase. That is, the chromosomes will line up and centrioles will form spindle fiber. Now what happens in anaphase? This is very interesting. The chromosomes will split from the middle, and one chromatid will move to one end of the cell and another chromatid will move to another end of the cell. Because here the spindle fiber, these fibers will contract, splitting the chromosome into 2 halves. Clear? Yes. Okay, next what happened is telophase. The chromosomes that have already split into 2 halves will now form 2 different nuclear membrane. You see, 2 different nuclear membrane will form, and centrioles, this centriole will appear in these 2 nucleolus. So this is what happens in mitosis. So that's all.